Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the 6th point of our lesson number 10. How the sex of the baby determined. Is it boy or girl? Means jati. તમે કઈ રીતે decide કરી શકો કે is it boy, unborn baby will be boy or girl. Inside the fertilized egg or a zygote is the instruction for the determining the sex of the baby. This instruction is present in the thread-like a structure called chromosome. In the fertilized egg, recall from chapter number 8. In chapter number 8, you have already learned about the chromosomes. What is chromosomes? It is thread-like a structure, and instruction of the baby development is also can be seen from that. That chromosomes are present inside the nucleus of every cell. In every cell, it is present in the nucleus. All the human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of these cells. 2 chromosomes out of these are sex chromosomes named X and Y. See, in a nucleus, every nuclei has in nucleus it has 23 pairs of chromosome. Out of that, 2 is a sex chromosome, that is this side that is donated by X and Y. A female has 2 XX chromosome while a male has 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. The gamete have only one set of chromosome. The unfertilized egg always has 1 X chromosome, but the sperm are of 2 kinds. See, as we have already learned in the previous video that egg is released every 28 to 30 days, and if it is unfertilized, it has X chromosome, whereas the sperm has 2 types, X chromosome and Y chromosome. One kind has a X chromosome and the other kind has a Y chromosome. As you can see in the figure 10, that the boy has X and Y chromosome inside its body, and the girl has XX, yani 2 XX chromosome. When a sperm contains X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have 2 XX chromosome and develop into the female child. So, if the sperm release the X chromosome, then X chromosome gets mixed with the X chromosome, then XX chromosome, then the unborn baby is developed into the girl child. If the sperm contribute a Y chromosome to the egg at fertilization, the zygote would develop into the male child. If it's released Y chromosome by the sperm, then it develop into the male child. Now you know that the sex chromosome of the father determine the sex of the unborn baby. So father is responsible for the baby that can be a girl or boy. The belief that the mother is responsible for the sex of her baby is completely wrong. Generally, the belief prevails in the society that only the mother is responsible for the girl child, but that is wrong. That is completely wrong, and to blame her for this is totally unjustified. That is not good to blame only the lady. So what do you learn from this point? You learn from this point that there is a chromosome that decides the gender. Sex means gender of a girl or boy. So here the 10.6 is over.